Okay, so for those of you guys that don't know, DaVinci Resolve, to be specific, DaVinci Resolve version 20.1 is out, okay? Yes, 20.1 is out. In order to update, just go to DaVinci Resolve and then go to check for updates, and then you will get to update to a version you want. Now, there is one feature that is my favorite feature, okay? And that involves this right here, okay? First of all, you can see that I can actually go ahead and click on this. Well, let's zoom in actually, because we are not having a good time selecting it right now. So going to put this back on the timeline. We're going to zoom in a bit. Well, we didn't even have to zoom in. We were just able to do that. But look, I know what you're thinking. Oh, isn't that a normal PNG, transparent background? No, it's not. It if you look here, look closely on here, it says it's a WEBP. Okay. So hands down, this is my favorite 20.1 feature as of right now. Okay. I know a lot came in the 20 update, which there are a lot of good features in the 20 update. And 20.1, I'm sure has a lot of features, and we will probably go over some more in the future, whatever. But this is my favorite one as of right now, because I don't know if you guys know this, but almost everything these days seems to be in WEBP format. So it was always annoying either having to use an online converter or open up the WEBP file in Photoshop to save it as a PNG so I could then import it into DaVinci Resolve if I want to use an image for my video. But now, no more. I can simply just drag and drop it into DaVinci Resolve. That's so awesome. That's why it is my top feature. Oh, and in case you're wondering why there's the two of me on stream, this is from one of my live streams that I did. So feel free to check that out, I guess, if you want. Link in the description below. But you know what? With that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Feel free to let me know your favorite features in DaVinci Resolve 20.1, and feel free to let me know if you think this is odd. This is an odd feature that I'm calling my favorite feature of 20.1. Okay, let me know all that comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.